In this video, we'll be building a GraphQL API using .NET 8 and Hot Chocolate. Whether you are new to GraphQL or you're transitioning from REST, this guide will walk you through the complete setup from project creation to running your first query. I'm using Linux Mint, so I will be making use of my command line. You can run the .NET -- version command to check if your .NET CLI is installed. Then let's create a web API project by running the following command. We can see that the project files are now created. Next, I'm going to open up this project in JetBrains Rider. Now we will install the required Hot Chocolate packages. First, let's get into the GraphQL demo folder and then run the following commands. These packages will provide the middleware and data integration that is needed for GraphQL. I'll now create a new models folder and then create a new customer class as my model. I've added some properties for my customer and we'll be using this model to demonstrate the basic queries and mutation. I'll add a new repositories folder and then create a new customer repository class. Over here, I'm defining a couple of customers that I'm hard coding. Usually you would connect to the database to load this information, but for the purposes of this demo, I'll just return these two customers. Over here, I have now added a customer query class, which will return me all the customers. In program.cs, let's get rid of all the unneeded code that got set up as part of the project. And let's add the GraphQL server and the query over here. So I'll go builder.services.add GraphQL server. And then dot add query type. And my name of my query, which is customer query. And over here, let's just add app.useRouting and then app.mapGraphQL. And we also need to add builder.services.add singleton and register the customer repository. Let's go ahead and run our project now. After running my project, if I go to the GraphQL endpoint, it will present you the Nitro IDE. Nitro IDE is now bundled with Hot Chocolate for development purposes. If I click on Browse Schema, I can see the customer query that I created. I can also drill down further to look at the various properties of the customer type. Now let's also try and run an operation to get all the customers, and I only want to fetch the ID, first name, last name, and email. So as you can see, this is returning the data for my customers for the two customers that I added in my project. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you really found this useful.